the part of the matrix determine. Second part of the matrix determine types of the matrices. First type, row matrix. First type, row matrix. What is row matrix? It means row means which matrix has single row is called row matrix. Or you can say if any matrix has the order 1 into n. If any matrix has the order 1 into n is called row matrix. For example, here A 1, its order is 1 by 1. Matrix B 1 2 3 कॉमन ही ला रहे हैं इसमें. Its order is 1 into 3. In this matrix, there is only one row. This is called row matrix. In this one, there is one row. This is called row matrix. Second, column matrix. What do you mean by column? It means if any matrix has a single column, is called column matrix. That is, for example, here, if any matrix has one column, that is, if any matrix has the order n into 1 is called column matrix. For example, here A, that is 1, its order is 1 by 1. B 1 2, its order is 2 by 1. C 1 2 3, its order is 3 by 1. So these matrices are column matrix. These matrices are column matrix. रो में सिर्फ सिंगल रो होगी, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ सिंगल कॉलम होगा. नेक्स्ट थर्ड, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स देखिए, मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? इट्स ए रेक्टेंगल. और रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर कब बनता है? It means if sides are equal, if length equal to breadth, then that is called square. It means in this case here that is same. It means number of rows and number of columns of the matrix are equal, then that is called square matrix. If any matrix has row and columns are same, then that is called square matrix. Or simply you can say if any matrix has the order n cross n, 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, and so on. This type of matrix are called square matrix. For example, here A 1, its order is 1 by 1. B 1 2 3 4, its order is 2 by 2. C, बेटे म्यूट करिए अपने आप को. C 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, its order is 3 by 3. Its order is 3 by 3. If the number of rows and number of columns of the matrix are equal, then that is called row matrix. Sorry, square matrix. That is called square matrix. If number of rows and number of columns of a matrix are equal, then that is called row matrix. Next, fourth, diagonal matrix. What do you mean by diagonal matrix? अब ध्यान से देखिए, अब in a rectangle, how many diagonals? There are 2 diagonals, one and this is the other. But this diagonal is called main diagonal. Why this is called main diagonal? Because on this the position of row and column of the elements are same. That is A11. यदि हम पहला एलिमेंट लिखें तो वो A11 होता है. That means this element line first row first column. Second element A22, same row same column. Second row second column. A33, third row third column. A4 4, fourth row, fourth column, and so on. But जबकि इसमें ऐसा नहीं है, तो this is called main diagonal. So write the definition of diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, in a square matrix, in a square matrix, ध्यान रखिए आप, in a square matrix, if elements on main diagonal are non-zero and rest of the elements are zero, is called diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, if elements on main diagonal are non-zero and rest of the elements are zero, is called diagonal matrix. For example, here A, ये सभी में लिखा है मैंने, देखिए आप, B 1 0 0 2, it's a diagonal matrix and elements on main diagonal are zero. C 1 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 7, it's also a order of 3 by 3. Its order is 3 by 3. It's a diagonal matrix. Next definition.
सर एक बार पीछे वाला दिखा दीजिए.
In a square matrix, if elements on main diagonal are non-zero and rest of the elements are zero, is called diagonal matrix. For example, here A लिखा हमने 1, its order is 1 by 1. B, it means 1 0 0 2 and elements of main diagonal 1 2, non-zero. C 1 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 7, elements of main diagonal are non-zero and rest of the elements are zero. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix, आप इसको दो जगह से करेक्ट कर सकते हो, एक से भी कर सकते हो या उससे भी कर सकते हो आप. Scalar matrix. In the scalar matrix, ध्यान से देखिए आप, in a diagonal matrix all elements are equal, so this is called scalar matrix. All elements in a scalar matrix, in a diagonal matrix are equal, is called scalar matrix. All elements in a diagonal matrix are equal is called scalar matrix. हम उससे भी जोड़ सकते हैं इसको, हम उससे square matrix से. In a square matrix, if elements on main diagonal are equal, all are equal, is called scalar matrix. For example, here A, that is 1, B 2 0 0 2, C, it means 1 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix. इससे भी दोनों से जोड़ सकते हैं, डायगोनल से भी जोड़ सकते हो, स्केलर से भी जोड़ सकते हैं. सिंपल याद क्या रखना है, जो स्केलर मैट्रिक्स था उसमें इसमें सारे एलिमेंट्स इक्वल थे, बट इसमें सारे एलिमेंट्स इक्वल टू वन होंगे. आइडेंटिटी मतलब यूनिट मैट्रिक्स भी कहते हैं इसको हम यूनिट मैट्रिक्स भी कहते हैं हम. इन ए scalar matrix, all elements are equal to 1 is called identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix are always denoted with I. Identity matrix are always denoted with I. For example, here I, that is 1, I, that is 1 0 0 1, I, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. बट सारे आई एन में डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करेंगे हम इसको लिखेंगे I1 suffix 1. It's understood. It's the matrix of order 1 into 1, 1 by 1. It means I2. It means I2 का मतलब क्या हो गया? This is the identity matrix. This is the identity matrix of order 2 by 2. And this is the I3. This is the I3. That is identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So this is called identity matrix. Next definition. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero. If all elements of a matrix are zero, write down. If all elements of a matrix are zero, if all elements of a matrix are zero, is called zero matrix. All elements are zero. For example, A 0 1 by 1, B 0 0 0 0 0 0. Its order is 2 by 3. C 0 0 0 0. Its order is 2 by 4. It's a zero matrix. Next is equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices. क्या मतलब है? दो मैट्रिक्स इक्वल कब होंगे? There are two conditions. First, when order are equal and corresponding elements are also equal. So write the definition. Two matrices are equal.
सर एक बार वो जीरो मैट्रिक्स के एग्जांपल दिखाना.
बेटे जीरो मैट्रिक्स में सारे एलिमेंट जीरो होते हैं.
ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर.
कोई भी किसी भी ऑर्डर का हो, सारे एलिमेंट्स जीरो लिखने हैं आप. Two matrices are equal if order is same and corresponding elements are also equal. It means दो कंडीशन होगी. Order is same and corresponding elements are also. For example, here A 1 2 3 4, B 1 2 x y. It means A equal to B if these two matrices are equal. If ध्यान से देखिए आप, इसका ऑर्डर भी 2 by 2 है, इसका ऑर्डर भी 2 by 2 है, ऑर्डर तो इक्वल है, बट कॉरस्पॉन्ड एलिमेंट्स भी इक्वल होने चाहिए. अब ये देखिए 1 तो 1 के इक्वल है, 2 2 के इक्वल है, तो बट यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पर x है, यहाँ पर 3 है. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? जो x हमारा 3 होगा और y हमारा 4 होगा. इट मीन these two matrices are equal if x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. इस पर बेस क्वेश्चन बन जाता है. टेक द क्वेश्चन. Find x and y if x plus y 3 4 equal to 5 2 3 and 4. Question: find the value of x and y if this matrix equal to this matrix. It means अब सबसे पहले तो दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है, दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम है. It means these two matrices are equal if order is same and corresponding elements are equal. It means क्या लिखे हम? On comparing, on comparing, यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? x plus y की वैल्यू 5 आएगी और y की वैल्यू 2 आएगी. भाई x plus 5 corresponding elements में इक्वल करना है. corresponding elements में क्या है? x plus y की वैल्यू 5 होगी और y की वैल्यू 2 होगी. बट हमें तो x सॉल्व करना है तो y की वैल्यू पुट कर दो. Therefore x plus 2 equal to 5 and x equal to 3. It means तो x की वैल्यू 3 है and y की वैल्यू 2 है. With the help of this we can find value of x and we can find